The world's smallest and shallowest ocean is? The right answer is option B, Arctic Ocean. The number of continents in the world is? The right answer is option E, 7. Which continent is known as the New World? The right answer is option D, North America. The world's saltiest ocean is? The right answer is option C, Atlantic Ocean. The world's deepest ocean is? The right answer is option E, Pacific Ocean. Which continent is known as the continent of superlatives? The right answer is option D, South America. World's largest continent is? The right answer is option B, Asia. Which continent is termed a dark continent? The right answer is option D, Africa. The world's smallest continent is? The right answer is option C, Australia. Which ocean is known as the Southern Ocean? The right answer is option C, Antarctic Ocean. The second largest ocean is? The right answer is option A, Atlantic Ocean.